This is cargo pant pattern number 1403. Well, part of it anyway. These are the largest pieces. The front pant, which consists of two separate parts, and the back pant also consists of two separate parts. There are also a multitude of small parts that you will see in a second. And here are the rest of the parts. And here you can see there's quite a few pockets that go into construction of the trousers. These start with the, in no particular order. This is the fly, shield and the facing. The front waistband interfaced. By the way, these are also interfaced. Front waistbands interfaced. Here we are, 4 pieces. Back waistband on fold, interfaced. Back yoke, these are the pant holders. These are the belt loops. These are the patch pocket bodies and the patch pocket flaps. The decorative part for the leg patch pocket. And finally the front pocket details, the inner part, they go like this basically. 1, 2 and 3. These two will not be seen, it will be inside the trouser, and this is the patch that will be a decorative detail. It's all joined with the bias strip that will go along the edge.